everybody and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box. This is actually their birthday box edition, and I'm super excited to give you guys a little bit more information about it. Real quick, yes, I did change my hair color. I had Hailey add some like purple and rose gold hues to it for fall. Not too much because you know your girl gets a little crazy when like she gets outside her comfort zone, but this is perfect. I'm living for it. I love it. So yes, if you guys were curious, you do see some purple, you do see some light pink or rose gold, and yay. Anyways guys, before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. It is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we play, we get ready, and we remember at the end of the day, we're just here to have fun. This is our little happy place. So let's go ahead and jump into a little information about the Look Fantastic beauty box. Okay guys, so last month was the first time that I did get to unbox this on our channel, and they sent it over again for me to unbox and review for you guys. So as far as this box goes, this box will cost you, if you do sign up for month to month, it'll be $19 a month for you guys. Now they do have different memberships. If you want to do like say 1 month, month to month, you could do 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, pay in advance. And when you do that, you can either do 1 month, which is $19 a month, or if you pay for a whole year up front, it will be $16 a month. Now they did send over a link that the first 20 people to sign up using the link down below for the 3-month subscription, you will get your first box for free, so therefore you're only paying for 2 boxes. Now after 20 people sign up for the 3-month subscription, then you will get your first box for half off. So either way, you're getting like a really good deal on this membership. So anyways, I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in signing up, and if you do, thank you guys in advance. It is not an affiliate link. It does not earn me a commission. It's just a way for you guys to save money. So thank you, Look Fantastic, for giving us that nice little link to save some money. So as always, we do get this beautiful box here, which as you guys know, I love getting boxes like this because you can always redecorate them and gift them and all of that. So when we take the lid off, we do get a nice little magazine in here. Now the reason I really enjoy this particular magazine is not only do we get the information about what is in this box, but there's tips, there's tricks, and all of that stuff, as well as it gives you information about everything in this box, the retail value, everything. So that I really do appreciate as far as that goes, and it's a nice little reader. If you don't like to like read, you get a nice little read, you know what I mean? You guys, your girl went to bed really late because I wanted to like dry my hair, style my hair, all of that stuff. I know, crazy. And then I went to bed. Now I'm paying for it this morning. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. We just go ahead, rip it open. Oh, it is so cute. Now how cute is this, guys? Like, isn't it cute? This is like a perfect gift to give somebody. Okay, so jumping right in, the first thing I see, actually, this is cute, is a pop socket. You guys know I love my pop sockets. Like I have a Gerard Cosmetics on the back of mine right now, and I always like to keep them on hand because you just never know how long they're gonna last. So that is the first item that I see in this box, which will come in very handy. Let's see if there's information on the pop socket or if it's like a free little gifty doohickey. This may just be like part of like the birthday gift. Just glancing through, I do believe it is. Okay, so the next thing that I see is a full size, and this is a jade roller. So this jade roller is by Brushworks. It says it's cruelty free and vegan, and it does say that it does have a retail value of, and this is in pounds, so you guys know your girl doesn't do that like whatever the retail value would be in our money. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We don't do pounds, we just do dollars, right? That's what I'm getting judged hard. Judgment free zone. I'm just letting you guys know it was my fault. I went to bed late, I didn't get a lot of sleep, and I was back up early to, okay, anyways. I love when I get crazy. But this is a jade roller. I enjoy jade rollers. I keep one in my skincare fridge and depuff my face with it and everything. Really comfortable. I really like to use them, like put my serums and everything on and then use the cool one and then just kind of go all over my face with it. It's soothing, it's relaxing, and like I said, retail value $9.99. Okay, so the next item I see in here, you can never get enough of these. This is by Luxie. This is the Luxie 209 brush. It does have a retail value of $15. So again, you've now already made your money back, which is really nice. So, and this is one of those brushes that you will definitely use a lot. I love when they put like usable brushes in. So this is perfect. I like the fact that it is kind of on the smaller side, so if you have slightly hooded eyes, it's going to work great for you as well. The next item is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This is really good. You guys know Elemis is a good skincare line. You have 0.5 fluid ounces in here. This is one of those expensive types of brands. It does say, again, this is in pounds, that it does have a retail value of $30 for the amount size that they did give you. So there's, I don't know if my camera will focus. We're just all having an off day today, aren't we? There we go. So again, a good size. You can tell it is definitely full to the brim, and it does say it does help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin's firmness and hydration. Next is a brand that I'm honestly not very familiar with, and that's the nice thing about the subscription boxes is, you know, you find new companies and new brands. This is ESPA or ESPA. Maybe that's how you say it. This is the Pink Hair Scalp Mud. Ooh, I like that there's hair care in here. Now this is $5.10 worth of product in here, it says. And that's what it looks like. And it does say it's an intensive mineral-rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth and scalp nourished. It has vitamin C rich watercress and red clay soothe and nourish the scalp, while the apricot kernel oil conditions to help promote stronger, healthy looking, manageable hair. I really like that. And since I just did my hair, we did some bleaching and all of that, this will be amazing. Okay, so we've got some more items in here. The next one is Diego Dalla Palma 80. I don't know anything about this brand. And again, that's the nice thing about it. I want to say, correct me if I'm wrong, but I want to say this box originated in the UK, correct? I'm pretty sure it did. This has a retail value of $9.32. It does appear to be, it says a mini lip pencil, but to me that's very much full size. Like, that's very much full size. Oh, and it's very comfortable, really pretty. It's definitely a shade that I have no problem wearing whatsoever. And I guess it's in the shade 80. So as you guys can see, it's like a really pretty mauve pink. Maybe not so much mauve pink, but like a warm pink shade. It's pretty, and I do like that. And then I do see another item in here by Illamasqua. And what exactly are you? Beyond Powder, OMG. Let's see. So this item, it looks like has a retail value, ooh, that is so pretty, of $10. I thought it was gonna feel creamier than, but it's like really pretty. It has like a golden hue. Is it a highlighter? It does look like it is a highlighter. High points of your face and cheekbones, your brow bones, and your cupid. Did we get this in another? I don't know if that's really showing up well. It's definitely got a very gold undertone. Let's try it with a brush. Okay, so using my finger does not pick it up as much as when I use a brush. Let's see, whatever's left we'll put on our cheekbones. Why not? I don't want to go too crazy gold because I'm kind of sporting like a cool toned look today. But that's pretty. It's definitely not as creamy as I was expecting it to be, but it's not bad. And again, retail value has $10 price tag on here. Okay, so my thoughts on this beauty box. I really like this box. I really like, for $19, I definitely feel that you do get your money's worth as far as that goes. I like the fact that I'm learning about brands that I may not have heard of before. Honestly, I like that they put in a pop socket because, like I said, you could, for me, I always need a pop socket, you know? So I think everything in here is definitely worth the $19. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I'm really enjoying this subscription. I really enjoy the subscription a lot. I have found that everything that they've been putting in these boxes, like last month I did receive 2 of them, and I'm loving all of the stuff that everything's coming in here. I love learning about new brands, and like I said, I really like the fact that in this magazine it tells you about the products, and it also gives you the retail value about the products. And then if you want to learn other tips and whatnot with these products, you can do that. So that's definitely something I really enjoy. So thank you again to Look Fantastic Beauty Box for sending this box over. Like I said, there is going to be a link in the description box, as well as I will pin it in the comment section for you guys, and you can save a lot of money if you sign up for the 3-month subscription. Like I said, the first 20 to sign up you do get your first box for free, and then after that, and I guess you'll just know if when you shop through the link, I guess you'll just know if you are like the 21st or the 22nd person, and you'll get your first box out of your 3-month subscription for half off. I have to go to bed early tonight because the brain is like, girl, you're doing too much and you didn't get me to rest enough. So there's that. But overall, excellent box. I think you're really going to enjoy it, and I feel like as of right now, off the top of my head, I think this is the least expensive box other than like Ipsy that I've been unboxing on our channel, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the price and everything. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Do you feel like it's worth the $19? Have you been receiving it? I did want to mention too, I'm playing around on their website, and they have a Look Fantastic advent calendar that is coming out, and it says it's going to be back and better than ever. I'm not done reading. Treat yourself to a daily surprise and discover 25 premium beauty products worth over $640. Pre-order yours now for $110. So that was something I was curious about. Have you guys ever picked up their advent calendar before, and how was it? So very curious about that. I'm wondering if you guys would want to see advent calendars on the channel closer to the holidays, and if so, which are the ones that you would recommend? Because obviously I don't want to waste money, but at the same time, I want to know you guys' thoughts on the advent calendar. So let me know everything down below. Don't forget, over on Instagram, I still have a giveaway going on over there, so I will leave a link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Like I said, my dress is from Glitzy Girls Boutique. This comes in regular size as well as in curvy girl size as well. I'm loving it. It's like that butter type of fabric. It's like a tie-dye butter, perfect for the fall, and I love it. It's like a buttery t-shirt type of material or something. I don't know, but I'm living for Glitzy Girl Boutique. So I'll have this dress linked down below for you guys as well. And you're going to see it in like 3 more videos because it's too cozy. I'm not changing, so there's that. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys. I need sleep.